Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So today we thought we'd do something a little different. Normally we do the big fanfare and unboxing. This time we thought we'd take a closer look at one of the new releases. This is the Perth Mint Gold 2021 1 ounce rectangular dragon. And it's a beautiful coin and a beautiful design, but it's quite a busy, complicated design this time. So we thought we'd try and get right up into a close-up on it. So you can see there, it's a very Asian design dragon rather than the European design. You've got your head just in here, this area here, a couple of horns coming out the top there, and then this beautiful reptile snake kind of body bending round, leading to these smaller feet you can see sticking out just there. So it's quite an intricate and complicated design. And I'm going to be interested to see how the silver one comes out. We don't have the silver in yet, we're still waiting on delivery on that. But that will be a slightly larger bar, I think, usually. So it may show that detail just slightly more. We'll flip one over to the other side so we can see that good old Queen Lizzie's on the other side with the 2021. And you can see it does have, again, a face value of that $100, as all the Perth Mint 1 ounce golds do. Now, this is a very limited edition coin. They're only producing 8,888 of them, a very auspicious Chinese number there. So it is limited edition. You'll find that their premiums aren't that much more than the equivalent in the 1 ounce kangaroo and that type of thing. But quite often, and we've seen it in previous years if you go back and do a little bit of research on some of the forums or on eBay, you'll actually see their premiums start to increase as collectors start to become involved later on down the line. At this stage though, you're only paying bullion prices, so it's only that $20, $30 an ounce more than you would pay for a 1 ounce kangaroo over and above spot. So in my humble opinion, and again this is not investment advice or anything along those sort of lines, but it's one of those types of coins that you buy knowing you're paying that little bit extra, but it has the potential to build that collector's premium into the future, even though you're only paying that bullion price right now. As I said, limited to 8,888. It's the Perth Mint's new release, 2021 rectangular dragon 1 ounce gold. Grab them while you can. That's it for now. We'll talk again soon. See ya.